Hi there, it's Math Trainer here, and today we'll talk about limits of combined functions. And we have function g, it's graphed here, and we have to find limit of minus 2 g of x, and x is approaching to 0. Everybody thinks, what is that? But really, it's easy. It's easy peasy. Like, you should write it like this. Limit of f of x, like normal, and x is approaching 0. And you do everything like before, like on my previous videos. So we have border on 0. We can see that because an axis are blurring our line. But we know that there is area and function needs to approaching from both sides something like the same value. Yes, so it's right side and left side of the border are approaching 3. Yes, 3. Here and here. So in that type, limit is just 3, right? So the limit is 3 normally, yes? But we have minus 2g of x. So just put minus 2 here, or no. I will put g of x like here, it's the same. And what now? Only I will put minus 2 here, like 3 times minus 2. Minus 2 is before g of x. It's nothing more like multiplication. So 3 multiply minus 2, it's minus 6. And that's everything you should know. And another exercise, we have two graphs, h and g, function h and g, and we have to find limit of difference of that functions, h of x minus g of x, and we have border on 3. So I will draw a dashed line on both graphs, like I used to before. And of course, I will draw a area, surface, just like this. And we shall see maybe first function h. Left side, we have approaching to 3 on 2 level, yes, 2. And from the right side we have 5. So what does it mean? If you saw my previous video, I pictured what will happen in this time. The border doesn't exist, the limit doesn't exist. Why? Because left value and right value are not the same. So the limit doesn't exist of function h. We have limit of function g maybe, but not of h. Okay, there is no limit because the values are different. Values are different this time. So the limit doesn't exist. Another example of two functions, h and g, and we have to find limit of addition of those two functions. We have minus 3 limit, so we should, of course, draw our dashed lines on minus 3 and look on both sides of both pictures. So left side is approaching values 3 here. Yes, yes. Right side of that function is approaching again 3 here. Yes, in this area. Yes. So we have the value of that limit of function g 3. Yes, the value of limit of h of x is 3. Next, we have function g, and again, border on -3, left side, right side. So left side is approaching to our border to 2 value, like here, yes. And from the right side is approaching 2 to the limit, to the -3, to 2 value. Okay, it's approaching -3. X's are approaching -3 to value 2. Here, yes, -3 and value 2. Plus 2. Limit of h of x, limit of g of x. Both have borders on -3. So we have value 5, total value 5. And the last example, it's 4th example this time. My previous video I have 3, but I need to admit that it's a little bit tricky, so it's better you to know how to revise that. We have another 2 functions. We have addition, we have border like before, and we will go to the left picture. We'll draw again our dashed line. We need to check borders from both sides. So now I will write limit g of -2 from left side is what? Is value 1. Yes, it's value 1. And from the right side, it's what value? It's 4 this time. Yes, in our border it's value 4. So they are different. It should not exist, but it's, as I said, it's a little bit tricky. Don't finish this exercise yet. We will revise function h also, so we will see. Okay, I will show you something. Another border, another dashed line, and limit of course I forget to put here g of x's. Limit of f of x, and x is approaching -2 from left side. Left side will be what? It will be value 4. And right side -2 plus is approaching value 1. And now if we divide our addition 2 sides, like left side and right side too, like limit x approaching -2 and g of x plus h of x, left side, yes, I write it minus here to show you that it's left side, of course. and we should take values from left side. Yes, so we have 1 here and 4 in this case. Total value is 5. Yes, left sides of both graphs, 1 and 4, and we have 5. Right side, addition of right side, minus 2 from right side plus g of x plus h of x again. We took this and this, plus right side, like we have described here. So we have what? We have 4 plus 1. Yes, we have total value 5. If we consider this function separately, like g of x only, the limit doesn't exist, of course. We see that here. Yes, their values are different. Same thing to h of x, values are different. But if we add those functions, we see their values from both sides are identical. They are both 5. So we have total value of limit 5. So it exists. As I said, a little bit tricky. I hope you understand that and like this video. Thank you very much.